Khubor phi baro shaki thup Khubor ka donbosco media network kimat bakong san man dagas ni kilong pedang ka sarkar jingdawa sange sha thangan ka kong bindas im kular kinong nya taxi kamay banirap kerpang yagitem men badya ki baduna khotmet hakalingku silver jubilee kiu ka Saint Xavier Nongston Shakakerdan Higher Secondary ngat lai ngut ki erang HNLC hakti ki pulit riboy tu mentang ine pai shiki Khubor ki babnya hadin ka jinga kendo ka sarkar Jylla lingba usimbut menteri rangba ba preston tensong bat ka kong bindas im secretariat halor ki mat jingdawa jongka banshna no marmar ye ki surok nongpo omden sunapur kabalabo ye ki pai ba ka them riboy ki basong basa hakathan ba kani ka surok kaksam lenti baro arleng kila menjer haba ka sarkar kala kular da ka jingtho ban pentre no yagani ka surok mador kumta ka kong bendas im kala rai ban weng no bat sangi no ya ka jing sha thangan ha ka ba kala stang nadu ka henry turik JYLLIEW uba preston ulaya thu shakilat pathai Khubor ba ka sarkar kala ai da ka jingtho ban pentikna ba kan pentre no yagani ka surok ba ka kong bendas im kala dawa da ka jing sha thangan ka jongka ulaong But ulo ongru bola ay jingmut yaka bakan lit examine Jylla hospital siya bakan lit pai no Shillong. Halor kani ka rai bat ka jingmin jong ka sarkar ban pinbahano ya ka surok nong po omden sunapur ka kong bendas imru mardor kararai ban sange no ya ka jing sha thangan jongka. Kipai ba ka sor Shillong bat na temri boy klaring min sim ja that jrut yo kani kalong kami ka shitom lada kadang yai biteng ya ka jing sha thangan jongka.
Pilayo iya gijing de gijong na dan kabangawan bersyat dengan hapo dengan neka madan hapo additional secretariat ngapen pau ke jing snuk men ka bakrau bat ke jing snuk iya ka government ni ha ka bakala pen sneu kala pen sngat iya gijing kerpat gijong a gijing dawa gijong a da ka bak ngala iyo iya ka insurance ka babiang ha ka ba nagalian jung sarkar kila ai kat kum ka jingkwa ka junga kublai shubon bat hakane ka por nga pentip sya baro kinong krisyan gi junga gi badon hapo junga ne ka Shillong nang ta ki bana we na we ru hakane ka sni ngan weng ya kane ka jing sya ngan ka junga bat ngan le shibet hadu banda khamin ngan dang ap kino ki bakwa ban ya kendo ban nga ngan ap be hakane ka jaga pins ngo ba ban wan hane ngakwa ban ai ka jing kublai ti pi kublai shubon kublai ya pi bara
Upgradation of Nongpa Umdan Sonapur Road, length approximate 59 km, is proposed to be taken up under NESIDS roads and PMGSY 3. Upgradation of Nongpa Umdan Road 20 km is proposed under NESIDS roads to be funded by MDONER, Government of India, at an estimate amount of approximately 52 crores only. The road is proposed to be of intermediate length, and the item of work proposed includes earthwork, subgrade protection works, construction of CC drain and pipe culvert, pavement works and road safety. In March 2024 itself, the Ministry of Donor had prioritized the 20-kilometer stretch of the Nongpa Umdan Road in their budget allocation. The project was delayed due to ensuing MP election and model code of conduct. The detailed project report DPR is under preparation and will be sent to the planning department by the end of this month. Subsequently, the planning department will forward it to the Ministry of Donor through NEC Secretariat for necessary action. Further, extension from Umdan to Banian, its surrounding villages along the road is approximately 39 kilometers in length, have also been proposed under PMGSY 3 with an estimate amount of 50.95. The proposal has already been uploaded onto online management monitoring and accounting system OMN-MAS of PMGSY. The meeting empower Committee on the Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India for sanctioning of the scheme is likely to be held shortly. These two projects will be positively taken up within this year 2024. KK Mawa, Secretary Piludi, Government of India.
Ka District Transport Office DTO East Khasi Hills bat ka office ka bapit ya kibre ki badan ki jingduna ha ki dekat met bat bor perkat person with disabilities ha ka khatwe tarik JYLLIEW kilapin long ya ka awareness program bakar pang ha soso tham auditorium na ka benta ki nong nya kali kamai ki bakin thop ya ki city bus bat taxi ban hikai bat pin shai ha ki ya ka jingdan kam bakar pang jon ki bre ki baduna ha ki dekat met bat bor perkat ha ba ki le ki wan da ki kali kamai Lakin tu ye kinong nya kali kamay ban buram bat ay ka jing shakri ba kham kerpang haba ke kendo ha kalit kawan nakabenta kini kibre kibadan kam ya ka jing rap ke para brio. Lakin turu ye kinong nya kali kamay ban num iben ye ki bat ban pendan kam daka ketien ka badan akor haba ki kiyo ki her hagi kali jengki. Lakin turu ye kinong nya kali ban buram bat ban yarap lem ye ki riu temmen haba ki kiyo ki her na ki kali ban lat na ki jing ma ki jing men saw. Kiblawan management tah kani ke jingalang ki kintup ye ki sinjuk Taxi East Khasi Hills Association, Kapsar Bat ki Tourist Taxi Association. Nakalyang kinong nya kali kamay kilapin pao bakin ye trailang bat ki bor jong ka transport ban pensok ya kalit kawan jong ki brio ki ba kamdan kam ya ki jingarap jong ki. Hakani ke jingyalang ladan lang ka SB Marak MCS kablalong ka kongsan bat uba tingkan Assistant Commissioner Transport ublalong usimbot kongsan.
Yes. Maybe more to do and more to overcome the obstacles, but I'd like to share with you what they have already done up till date. They have brought out the notification that the concession will be given at the rate of half of what is being charged in the vehicle. To that effect also, recently from the Commissioner Office of Transport, they have given notification to all the DTOs that this notification has to be compliant in a way all the vehicles, whatever the government or the private vehicles, has to provide for half a concession for the persons with disabilities. But at the same time, I would like to reiterate that a person with disability should have in possession the unique disability card. This is where your ticket will be. This is where you will have to show like you are to be given a concession based on that. Many of the drivers may find it difficult as I could.
Or here in the front. Better in the mid. I think in the front would be good. In the front or. No two seats.
Commercially,
Tapos na yan. Oh, after
Hindi kibas mo play, kibas ini dulu.
seats.
This one is one seat. This is only one. Here.
Haka khatwe tere JYLLIEW ya ka Saint Xavier Secondary School New Nongston la kentio ka dan shaka higher secondary section haba ka jing rakhe kemen ban pen sa kan mawi ka jing dap arpusan snem silver jubilee ha ka jing shakri jong ka ya ki khun ki siu hin trap ha kini ki benta jong ki lom khasi jantia yakini ka higher secondary school la play the reverend for the James Anderson's Imle mission procurator Nongston Diocese kumukong san ha ka jing don lang reverend father Rolando Slingdo principal kinong hikai bat kumju ki kimikik pa bat ki khenna school haba arjing kren hakani ka jing yalang priyo ukong san ulong ka pulia puthi bat ka jing nang jing start kalong ka bakong san ha ka jing im uben rio namar kata kalong ka badan kam ban penang pen start yalagi khun namar ling ba ka pulia puthi ka wan ra ka jing kala ha ubrio shimet ha ka yeng ka sem bat kumju ru ha ka im nang sa lang bat ha ka perthai solan sar hi barokoi kani ka shlam jing start kala arjing hikai ki khna na do men step ha ki class 11 bat 12 kanang ban ailat pat yaki samla pule bekin be shaki jing pre jing ta ban jing bala jing sni ban pendap pen byang yaka yeng ka sembat kumju yala dia mentai kila dan ko ba sab kandai hot ki samla pule shinrang bat kinte ki bala thap kerteng ha ka class 11
in our parish divine Savior parish we have 5 upper primary schools and many lower primary schools. We have only one secondary school, that is St. Xavier's Secondary School. And today, we upgrade it into a higher secondary level. There are many reasons as to why we upgrade St. Xavier's Secondary School to a higher level. Number one, we have to comply with a system of running schools with the rules and regulations of the National Education Policy, NEP. That is, a secondary school is comprising class 9 to class 12. St. Xavier's is the heart of Nongstoy. We thought that it will be of great help to the students who are residing around the area if we could start a higher secondary school in our school. Third, St. Xavier's Secondary School was a school who caters the students from the poor families from the time of its inception. As we upgrade now to a higher level, we aim to continue the same service as we have run.
Yitip barok yoi kami ki kemiki pa yitip pa ki education kalong pa don kam pat ngimna pat len ya ka don kam jong ke education to kan jing nang jing star hatin harai yu ang ba ki education ka urlok formally informally and non-formally. Kajinang jing star ka ni ay na kinibenta. Formal ni det ba kajinang star ay ba school, yung ba college, school hai, but ki institution. Informally kada kajinang jing star ka ba pio na yinga sen, pio nang ni na tai klep da shong classroom. But non-formal, kada ikut kini education, pada ikut kini iOS, distance education, but make away. Tika, nimla benlen baong mene, nimla benlen bang hidom kam ni kajilan kajista. Tiha piwan sa school, ha ki class bape, ki level bape, pure knowledge, kajingtip, but skills. Laban orang kisah kipong nakabenta kalau ejong. Di ni ka formal education.
Ka kinhun pulit tuet le no special operation team ringkat bat ki pulit district executive force DEF haka shiphotarik JYLLIEW kilapan long ye kajing tuet ye ki erang hinyo trip National Liberation Council ki bala shong re tingen hakishnong hatem ribhoy. Bat nari ki penting pensmi ya ki pahit ba da ka badawa pisa ringkat ru ka berngam bersin. Hakani ka jingtwet ki pulit kilayo kem laingut ki brio ki ba ki suba ba ki don ktiban train na ka benda ka seng HNLC lingba kini ki kam jingdawa jongki kini ki laingut ki long usai Frank Paul pariat arpusan snem karta ukun jong oba bluewell sotton national ummat ribhoy district uni ubrio ukam ru iladi ba udi commander ke HNLC ukit bok mujay arpulai snem karta ukurim jong kokong risalin marsing national ummat block 2 ribhoy district Bat ubana basling do sa bukandai snem karta ukurim jong kokong nelisha nongbri national kendau so ribhoy district yakini baro laingut lapen ngat hakikin don ka an unlawful activity preventive act ki khubor pulit kilaya thu bala kemi ki kat kum ki kendon bala ujor persha ki ha yam police station kini ki brio kila tre jar bat nari ban kring yaki samla ban rung hakaseng HNLC ban pen prang ki khubor ki beide bat ki kam ki jam jong ke HNLC bat kum joru ban lum pisan na ki pai ba na ka benda ka ni ka seng erang ujak pal singh IPS superintendent of police ribhoy district ulakan tu bat kerpat yaki pai ba ka ni ki Jylla bala dadan kanu ka kenhun na ki brio shimet ki bawan bandawa pisa de ban petep marmar sheki bor pulit ke inter-school Subrato Cup football tournament arjar arpusaw bala penyat da ka office u district sports officer ribhoy district kelas dang hakakhatway terik JYLLIEW ya kani kalimpung yele kai lapan long haki artli ki medan football madan yanong jri bat ka umran yang bernai kejing yele kai haka madan nongbri haka kedan under 17 jongki kena shenrang kalalong hapedeng ke Evershine English Secondary School lum nongrem bat ka St Joseph Higher Secondary School umden ke Evershine kala job da ar lawe ya ka St Joseph umden kat ba ka Umsning Town Secondary School kala penlim ya ka nong Thamai Presbyterian Secondary School da ar lanon ka Sidon Secondary School kala penlim ya ka RBP Higher Secondary School da lai lanon bat ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School kala penlim no ya ka Sati Raja Secondary School da hinyo lawe haka jingale kai under 15 jongki kena shenrang hamadan umran Nyang bernai ka Umsning Town Secondary School kalalim ya ka nongkra nongling do Secondary School da ar lanot kamin Ken Christian High Secondary School kala penlim no ka Alpha English Secondary School nongpo da pra lanot bat ka Mount Olive Secondary School kala job ya ka MECL Secondary School da saw lalailing baga tiebreaker hakani kalimpung yele kai la pharya Hakikerdan under 15 boys, under 17 boys, bat kumjuru under 17 girls. Kidan hadu aru pratali ki school na Ribhoy district kiban yakun nam ladu bandrung shaka state level ban mikmat ya ka Meghalaya New Delhi.
Nga nakaliang sa district sports office tiap ba district level inter-school Subuto Cup 2024 kelas tang sini bat ni song teman ba ngila NAKA hi atlet madan tadi hanong juri pada umran yang bernai berkawai ke standby ground la shubu kali ko maulen mafan ke hajuk por kemen ba kini ki school di bon cimenta ki under 17 boys under 17 girls under 15 boys bapoi hadu pratli school buat sampai south league 15 kila bani nak kai pha kini ka district level buat bikin mi pau pha kani ka tournament makhang makin ya mikmat pat secara state level ban langshan kau ni benai dengan kau benai Julai di haju por na termen ba ke seni kan bah ini ki por NAKA ini ki matches ber haju por di final di termen menjawab NAKA no beta ka kapatrik antar benai
Kitu baru kilong ki Khubor ki belawan shpi na ka Donbosco Media Network.